Oh, this is a nice one. Whatever it is. Oh. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're out at Metro Beach, the day sail. It's kind of a crappy day. We've had a lot of warm weather, and now it's got a little cold today. Got some snow. It's like there's maybe 20 shanties out there. It's kind of scarce because the ice is kind of shaky. So let's go out and see how we do. Oh, first fish. First fish. Oh, this is a nice one. Whatever it is. Oh, nice perch. Nice perch. Beautiful perch. Holy smokes, this is a nice perch. Big old jumbo. Make sure you guys can see him. Oh, keeping this one for sure. We're gonna lip him. The size of that perch. Oh, very nice. All right. First one. Nice. So let's get back on there. Tip right there. Dead stick in the minnow. Got another one. Oh, he got off. Nope, he's on. He's on. He's just small, I think. Working his way up. Stuck in the sonar. Or on ice. Stuck on something. Come on out. Oh, I'm stuck on the camera. It's a nice little perch. We're gonna pull him up this way. We're gonna pull him up the ice on this side. Get over here. All right, we'll go this way. Little perch. Came down, and as soon as I switched over to the wax worm, hit it right away. All right, we got too much stuff down in the water. Give that back. Yeah, we'll keep them. We need to make a nice meal. All right, we got two right now. Back to work. We got a fish. Come on, come on. We're gonna hand line him in. Nice one. All right, another perch. Nice. Another nice perch. A couple more of these will be good. Fat little suckers, that's for sure. Nice. Let's get another one. Is it gone? Is he gone? He's gone. Oh, he got me. He got me, cleaned me. Second miss of the day. We got a fish. Let's see what we got here. Another little perch. All right. Can't resist the live minnow. Little fish. All right. 4 now. First one was big. All right, guys, we're back in now. Caught a couple fish. Hope you enjoyed it. It's kind of crappy out there, so it didn't stay out too long. So, all right, thanks for coming along. All right, thanks for coming along. Appreciate it. Have a great night.